If you don't want to let the smoke out of your electronics, this video is for you. Hey y'all, this is Richard with Mr.Electric of Chapel Hill. Today we're talking about whole home surge protection, the superhero your house didn't know it needed until it really does. A power surge is basically like electricity having a temper tantrum and spiking from something like lightning. It's like pouring way too much hot sauce on your food. It's fine until it's not. Power surges can affect anything from TVs to computers to appliances or even the breakers in your panel. Surges can fry the brains of all these electronics. Whole home surge protection is important because it stops this stray voltage from coming into your house, like a bouncer at a nightclub. Nope, not today. We recently had an emergency customer call in where lightning struck across the street from his house. The surge coming into the house wiped out all electronics, LED lights, TVs, computers, gaming systems, causing thousands of dollars in damage. One surge protector could have eliminated all this. If you don't know if your home is protected, let us come check for you. We love working with electricity, so you don't have to. And please don't.